Hi there, Natasha here, realtor in Charleston. I'm coming to you today from a new construction community on Johns Island. This is called Sea Island Preserve by Pulte. It's just getting going. Stay tuned so I can tell you more about this awesome community.
I am so excited for this neighborhood because they are going to be offering bigger home sites than what we typically see in the Charleston area. So if you are looking for a little bit more space and not a home site that's right on top of your neighbors, this is definitely a neighborhood to consider. I also love that it has a gate. I think it just adds a really nice aesthetic from the outside exterior of the community with some beautiful walking trails and amenities. The resort-style amenities will include a saltwater pool, walking trails, a play park, and pickleball. I know you guys love some pickleball, so I am excited for that in this community. There is definitely something for everyone in this neighborhood because they're going to be offering 10 different floor plans. Some will be single story, the rest are 2-story, and if you want, you can choose a floor plan that works for you with either an owner's bedroom upstairs or downstairs. You have the option to design a home yourself and build from the ground up, going to the Pulte Design Center, or they do have quick move-in opportunities. What I will say about this neighborhood is demand is high, and that is something we are seeing all over town, but they are releasing roughly 9 home sites or opportunities to buy every single month. If you want to know more about getting on the list and having an opportunity to buy in this neighborhood, get with me as soon as possible because there is definitely a process involved. As you can see, this home offers hardy plank siding, but they will be offering a different product line that has vinyl siding on the exterior and some different included features. So there's a great way to get into this neighborhood with 2 different price ranges and 2 different product lines. Homes in this community are going to range anywhere from the 500s to 800,000s. If you want to know more about getting on the list or learning about their easy offer process, please let me know. They are currently in a situation where they're taking offers on home sites, and then you would select a floor plan, structural features, things like that. So it is definitely important to get in touch with me or an agent so that you can learn more about how this works. Have more questions about Sea Island Preserve? Send me a message and let's chat.